So hey, hello everyone. So this video I'm going to show you how to create an egg in Blender. So it's basically like a 3-4 steps, simple steps. So let's get started. So first, currently I have a new Blender project over here. Just click General. Okay, after clicking General, we will have the default cube. Just select that cube and delete it. So now what you need to do is just go and click Add. Okay, and you need to select UV sphere. Okay, so this UV sphere basically gives an what to say nearly definite circular shape. So it's always good to start with UV sphere. Now what we do, it has, as you see here, it has many subdivisions or things for it. It's basically divided into many parts. So, but an egg, it isn't like that, so it needs to be smooth. So for that, what you need to do is make the surface completely smooth. So right click it and you will get here a shade smooth option. Just click shade smooth, and by clicking that, you can see the all the lines that were before has gone now, so surface is nearly smooth. Okay, that's what you want. So now what you need to do is, it's in object mode, you need to go to sculpt mode. Okay, after going sculpt mode, you will get this many icons. Okay, so it's always good to know what it means. So just actually extend it like this. You need to extend so that you can see the name, and in this what we are going to select the option grab. Okay, this, so just select the grab option over here, and now if you just try to pull it, okay, we will get two things. Okay, this, the main reason is because, okay, the main reason is because we have here the two yellow dots, so it's actually pointing to two areas over here. So to avoid this, we need to just go here, and this x will be, this is basically symmetric along the x-axis. Just you need to disable. So you can see here mirror brushes, so it's mirror across x-axis. Just disable it, and now if I just pull it, okay, yeah, I will pull this point for it. Now you can see it gets concentrated only in that place. So now I will undo it, undo the things. So now what we need to do is, we need to change the radius. Okay, this thing is very small, so to change the radius, just go over here, place your mouse and click and move it. Otherwise you can even enter it, so it's now this much big, so you can see there. Okay, so now just we need to go to top. Okay, just you need to place this on the top. Okay, it should be like this, should be like the horizontal flat thing, that yellow lines, concentric lines. And now from the top, just select it and pull it over the top. Okay, so now this is good. We have got the structure, so that's really good. If you want, you can do many of the adjustments and things. And okay, now to get that white color look, it's just simple. Go to this and go to new material, new. Okay, it creates a separate. Just give base color as white, just a default color, because egg is going to be basically in white in color. So now what we need to do is, to in order to show, you can also change the background color. I would leave the background color to be as a little bit white with gray color. So now that's good. Violet color, okay, that's good. And now you can see the egg color. So now this is in this color because it's basically reflected. So now if I show in light, okay, so now this is pretty good. It's looking basically like an egg. So now if I just it appears, the bottom is it appears purple because of the reflection of the background color. So now if I again go and check the background color and go to this color and change it to, okay, now you can see here the background color changes, but the egg color remains constant. This means that our color modifier has worked properly. So that's it. That's for the video, and thanks for watching. I also done many other tutorials in Blender. Also, just check out my channel, and Unity, game development, and other programming languages such as C, C++, Java, etc. So thanks for watching, and kindly subscribe and support. Thank you.